Welcome back, YouTube. What is going on, guys? I am bringing you another video today. It is the AudioLegion ARM 1x10" dual 2-ohm loaded enclosure. So this is the Armada series with the loaded enclosure. They don't have very much of these left at all. It was weirdly how I had to place it on their website, how to place the order, but I eventually got it here, and here it is. So we're going to be doing an unboxing and testing on a on the Jensen amp. Unfortunately, my seismic audio one fried because of user error, but I have a very new exciting one coming in tomorrow. But we're going to do some small tests today, maybe some tests on some other subs. But this is from AudioLegion. Very good company. They did get bought out by caraudio, so you might see some things that do look similar. This definitely reminds me of the SDR, but even a little better. But without further ado, let's just get this thing open. Alright guys, just so you know as well, this is my first 10" sub. I've seen many, but personally have not had one myself. So this is kind of what I had to do. If you guys want to get a chance of having these last ones, it was very strange. So I had to buy this. So when I just added this to my cart, it did not work. It said it couldn't ship to me, and I was like, really? And I couldn't do anything about it. But I added a part. I added this. This was $5. This is just it's a 1-foot RCA. I think it's like, no, it said it was just like a two to 1, but I think it's just a 1-foot RCA cable. I don't know. But I had to add this, which was only $5, and then it let me order it, and it still came. It wasn't out of stock. It was just weirdly, like, it wouldn't let me order it. So if you guys do want to get one of these, I had something very small, and it'll work. So we do have these. I do have the 17-foot RCA premiums I'm going to be putting in the car when I get my new amp. So we can just put these to the side. Here it is. So let's just get this out of the box. Alright guys, so as we see here, we got this very nice enclosure, very built, very nice. I think this is 5/8, just like the Jav. But this thing looks very nice. It has a big beefy surround. If we look in here, has a split port, and it did come with a decal, so very nice. I do have one of those, and they look very nice, so maybe I'll put that on with the other one. Very nice stitched surround, even though it's very similar to the SDR. It's actually pretty stiff. It is the D2 version, so it is wired down to 1 ohm. We have the nice terminals over here. And it is a slanted back. So, it has that nice logo at the top, but let's get some power thrown to it. So, we'll be right back. Alright guys, so we're back in a totally different environment. But we did a quick takeout of the box with the AudioLegion ARM10. So if we look at it, if you guys seen the Scar SDR, pretty much the 12 or the 10, it looks exactly like them. Yeah. The wire I actually thought was pretty interesting. That it's like this almost like squared covered wire, but it's like, I don't know, I think it's like 12 gauge. I have gloves on because this little flap right here is like some silicone steel. That's it together, so it looks thicker than it really is. Kind of seeing the terminal here, but the box is very nice. We also found out that the port comes all the way back here, rather than like halfway in the box.
Yeah, there's probably like 2 inches from the port wall to or from the side wall to that end of the port wall. About 2 inches.
AudioLegion.
And I think the port itself is about 1 inch.
Yeah.
So I think it's 1 inch here. It goes 1 inch to the back there.
So, yeah, without further ado, I'm going to kind of put this in the back seat and show it's moving. So we'll get this right back in the box. Alright guys, we're back in my car. So this is probably like an hour later. It took me like forever to do this. So recently I had a fuse blow. It was a maxi fuse 100 amp. I'm pulling more power than that, not with this amp, with the different amp I had. I had the seismic audio 1500, and what happened was I was replacing the fuse with this one here, and the metal touched metal and it fried my amp, unfortunately. Like I said, tomorrow I have a really nice one coming. I'm really excited, but for now I have the Jensen one that I just put in as a temporary that I'm going to be doing this test with. This is the 600 watt, so it's not really going to do too much power, but it should do enough to move the sub. I like doing it inside, but I don't have a big enough power supply, so hopefully I'll have one soon to do it inside. But those are my main subs back there, the battery there. Took me a while to get this together, but I just got it together. So we're going to turn it on, and we're going to see how she moves, and hopefully, yeah. So, and then this is also a 200 amp fuse now, so it'll be perfectly more than enough. And yeah, let's get it going. All right, guys, so we are doing it on this test once again. Got the radio set to the, I think I'm gonna do it up one, so it's in 23. I think that's what I might have had it at, but we got it back here so we can see it moving. Again, this is the AudioLegion ARM10 with the loaded enclosure. So let's see if we can get this going just a little bit more. Yeah, turn it up one more. All right. Turn this back a little bit. All right. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.